Should is normally dirty fuel because it's not necessarily something that you have to do. Beneath every should, there's plenty of wants. And instead of focusing on the should, I would encourage you to find the want. And that's when you have more motivation. I should go to the gym more often. Then I'm, okay, why? Because I want to lose 5 pounds. Okay, why do you want to lose 5 pounds? Because I want to look better. I want to have better self-confidence. Okay, interesting. Now we're getting somewhere. See, we're peeling the onion. We're asking why. Instead of just listing things that you should do, I should, which starts to be dirty fuel because it's driven by something else than the true internal need. Now that opened up a lot more doors. What are the other ways in your life how you can start feeling better about yourself? I can start hiking, I can start running, I can start writing poems or whatever the thing is. I have all of a sudden 7 different options. Then I test all of those out over the next month or so. Hiking, that's my thing. Because ultimately you want to be in a state where your days look like something that 80 to 90% of the stuff is something that you're deeply passionate about. You want to complete those things, and then your success and your completion rate goes from 50% to 75 or 80%. That's what we want to achieve. The way of getting there is to figure out always what is it that we ultimately want in life instead of living somebody else's life.